As you can hear, we got a thunderstorm coming. Looks to be a pretty big one. Won't be able to stay out here too long, but wanted to get a look at the clouds. Right now it doesn't look like it's anything rotating or anything, but according to the warning, there's a possibility of 70-mile-an-hour winds right on the northern fringe of the storm, but it does look like it's taking a jog up toward the south, so we might get the middle of it, so that would be interesting. I'm gonna have to take this inside and record from the window here pretty soon. It's starting to rain out, and of course we got the lightning going, so don't want to take too many chances. So I'm gonna head it back inside where we can at least listen to it, and got the scanner going inside too, so if anything happens around the area, we'll hear it. Okay, so we're inside now.
Not sure if you need business in the parking lot. Check. First street, bud. 79 for you out of Main. Go ahead. Surname's going to be First, H-U-R-S-T. Given name Douglas, D-O-U-G-L-A-S. Middle initial R. Date of birth 2/22/67. 2/22/67. Active. Negative dispatch.
I'll bring the scanner over here so we can hear it a little better on the, ooh, that was close. My dog's not sure if he wants to come in here or not.
On the call. Douglas is going to be staying with James, and they're going to be getting a ride home from a friend. Double.
So far, the only activity seems to be an old orchard, which is not storm related. I think I heard earlier they had an accident.
At 29 on a me when you're ready. Stand by, I have a disturbance to put out. If you have a computer and can run them, go ahead. Flush it to 21. Go ahead. 103 and 32 tonight. I'm not sure about 103. I think 32 is. Let me check. Well, either way, for you and 32, if you find a disturbance on Wilson Drive, large group of kids filming each other actively fighting. Time for.
Guess that's not storm related.
103 will push up tonight. I can head that way. Time for 103 is en route. Right field. That's what I thought. 32 is going to head over with 103. I'm going to stay 1019. Simple.
Several units down at the bitter end. It's going to be units under the bitter end.
I'm gonna go to my computer here and see if I can bring up the radar map. Or not the radar, well, maybe that too, but what I'm really interested in is the lightning map. I don't have it bookmarked in on this. Real-time lightning maps. Here we go.
Go ahead. I'll be 10-8 for the night on West Trend.
Okay, I don't know. Alright, let's see. If you can see, I'm located right about here where the hand is. So there's some, looks like maybe Biddeford outside of Biddeford. Most of the action is still off to the south and west. Again, I'm in this area here where the hand is versus Saco.
I have 110 here to replace for you.
At 6:37 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Kennebunkport, Oregon, 20 nautical miles southwest of Portland, moving northeast at 40 knots.
Okay.
Wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
As you can see, some pretty good oranges coming up toward Biddeford Saco. So, I'm going to close this out and we're going to go back to the storm. As you can see, it's gotten considerably dark out there. My lights have come on.
No one in the area. We're getting found, but I think they cleared out and on to wherever they're going to be. Powered up yet. Can you log? For whatever reason, I couldn't get my camera to start up on that call. I'm gonna go up and work on it.
Temple. Go ahead.
I'm assigned to car 9. It's showing I'm in car 22.
10-4. I'll go ahead and update that.
Thank you.
The other thing we're dealing with is being close to the coast like this. There's a lot of times when the storms make their way to the coastline, they fall apart rapidly. Oh, that was some good lightning right there. But they fall apart pretty rapidly when they get to the coast. But like I said, we're still getting some good lightning pictures here, so that's good. The rain is getting heavier. Shadow, get out of there. Go in the other room. He starts to go crazy during thunderstorms, so trying to get him to go in the other room, the living room, with my mother, so he likes to go under the computer desk, and I don't like him there because there's all kinds of wires and everything he can get into, so. Shadow, go in the other room. Shadow, go in the other room. Well, I guess that's his safe space, so I'll let him be for now. Looks like a little bit of wind starting. So far, not getting any action on the scanner, so I guess that could be a good thing, but ooh, that was a good one. Here comes a little bit of wind. See the branches moving.
That call, I just switched from the accident. I don't have the Massachusetts vehicle in there. Just inquiring if it is in there or not.
About that.
Well, I guess probably so I can do this. Great call for me. It's going to be a follow-up for 38 Washington Avenue. Family Dollar, it says.
I just put the scanner down so I can concentrate on the filming here. Turn it up a little bit so you still should be able to hear it.
Yeah.
It was a good lightning flash there. So far, this just looks like a run-of-the-mill regular thunderstorm. Just doesn't seem to be anything severe. You know, it has some good lightning with it, but we'll see what happens in the next few minutes here. Looks like so far we've got 0.15 inches of rain so far out of this. Not a terrible number. Yeah, it was Old Orchard telling their beach patrol officers to go under cover, find some cover for the lightning, which is a standard protocol.
Attention, Old Orchard Fire. Calls to respond to the Old Orchard Beach High School. On the field, be a green shed building has been struck by lightning.
Oh, that's a good
Call
one.
states there was a fire, believes it's out now. Old Orchard Beach Fire Department transmitting box 231, engine 72, truck 71, Old Orchard ambulance. Calls to respond to the Old Orchard Beach High School, 40 Emerson Cummings Boulevard, on the field to be for a green shed has been struck by lightning. Caller states there was a fire, but believes it's been put out by the rain. No fire visible at this point. The caller has left the scene and is no longer there to point out the shed to you. Should be green in color. Hello, 1908. PWJ 221.
Doesn't sound too much of a big deal, but send the boys out to check the shed out, make sure there is no fire. I am going to stop this video and restart it because it's getting close to 30 minutes. So, as not to exceed too much time here, I will be right back with you in 1 second.